struggles that Perseus has to overcome, even before he was born. So let's start with the first challenge that he overcome. The first challenge is his grandfather wants him dead because he's a threat. So we all know that his grandfather Arceus, king of Argos, received a dreadful oracle from Delphi that was said that his grandfather will not have a son, but instead will have a grandchild that is a boy that will kill him. So his grandfather locked up her mother to avoid her mother on finding a guy that will lead her to have a son that will kill her. But we obviously know that the fate has different plans. So Zeus, his father, entered the underground chamber in the form of the shower of gold through the roof partly open that led his father Zeus and Danaea on meeting each other and having him to be born. So let's go to the second challenge that he overcome. Oh, another. Nabawasan ko yung voice mo na may. So another fun fact. So we have watched a movie, Percy Jackson, The Lightning Thief. So Percy was actually Perseus. Percy is a modern name for Perseus. So we all know that his grandfather wants him dead. So when he was born and when his grandfather found out that her daughter already has a son, he was thrown. And then that led his mother meeting his stepfather. But his stepfather also wants to get rid of him. And that's why his stepfather sent him to a dangerous mission, and that is to kill Medusa. So Medusa is one of the three Gorgon sisters that was cursed by Athena by the sin that she didn't do. So Medusa was cursed that led her on having a snake full of hairs, and everyone that looked straight into her eye will turn into a stone. So despite his stepfather knowing that it's dangerous for Perseus to go through the mission, he still sent Perseus to the mission. So let's go to the third struggle or challenge that he has to overcome. So when he accepted the mission, going into the north of the Nymphs to get the weapons that he will use to defeat Medusa is not an easy work either. So he has to steal the eye of the Grey Woman before the Grey Woman gave him the directions to go to the north of the Nymphs. So when he got to the north of the Nymphs, Hermes gave him a sword. He was given a shield by Athena. Hermes gave him also winged sandals and helmet of invisibility to defeat Medusa. And finally, the last challenge and struggle, oh no, that was my mistake. The fourth challenge he has to overcome is to defeat Medusa. Defeating Medusa is not an easy work either. He has to use his brain. He has to oversmart Medusa, and he also has to be brave to deal with Medusa. So when he finally defeated Medusa, the last challenge that he has to overcome is to save Andromeda and to fight with the serpent in exchange for him marrying Andromeda. And that was our group presentation. Thank you for listening.